first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the title and a description of a certain page or product on your website. Go over here to your pages. Here we can see already the title and the meta description. Those things are basically always used in the search engine result pages. If you want to change those, go over here to Edit. Then we scroll down and over here we can see the key phrase, and if you scroll even further down, the search appearance with your SEO title and your meta description. You can also do this on the right side. Click over here, go over here to search appearance, and here we can also change the exact same things. There is also another way. If you have Elementor, you can go up here to the settings, and then we can see Yoast SEO, and here you can also go to search appearance. Variables makes your life way easier. If we go, for example, to the titles, we can see I have typed in manually a separator, a pipe, and then over here the name of the website. Now this is not the right way to do it. If I want to change my title or my separator throughout my entire website, I have to edit every single page one by one. So to do it the right way, we're going to use variables. Click over here and press, for example, the site title. There we go. Now we can remove my own site title and the separator. I'm going to remove that one and also insert the variable called the separator. But then of course your separator and your site title has to be correct. That's not correct. To change them, go to Yoast SEO, go to your settings. And over here we can change the website name and the title separator. Choose anything you want. I'm going with the pipe. Then we press Save Changes. But if you now don't see your changes right here, chances are that you have set a different title inside of WordPress itself. Go over here to Settings, General. And then we can see the site title. Change this, save your changes, and then we can see the title is exactly the way we want it. To analyze your website to get on the top of the SEO and LLMs results, you have to go over here to the SEO analysis. Click on it, and if we then scroll down, we can see all the problems, the improvements, and the good results we are doing. If you don't know what they mean with outbound links, just click on it, and you will go exactly to the Yoast SEO page, and it will explain to you how to work with outbound links and why these matter. Just a quick heads up, you don't need 100% green dots to score within LLMs or the search engine result pages. This is just more of a help to help you understand what's needed and how you can change it. To enable LLMs and AI to get access to your website in the most easiest way, they have created the LLMs.txt. To enable this one, you go over here to Yoast, go to Settings, and then we just enable the LLMs.txt feature. Press on Save Changes. Then we click on Customize LLMs.txt. Here we can change if you want automatic page selection or do it manually. By doing it manually, you can also exclude pages to not serve to the LLMs. Just select all these pages that the LLMs want to have, and here you can select the content pages which you do want to have and just leave out those that you don't want to be serving to the LLMs. Now, you can exclude pages from it, but that's no guarantee that LLMs will actually listen to it. They tend to have their own way of doing things. To make sure LLMs but also crawlers from search engines can find your sitemap, it's very important that you have one and that you can submit it to Bing or Google. To do that, you go over here to Yoast SEO and we go to Settings. Then we scroll all the way down, and over here are the XML sitemaps. You can click over here to view it, or right click and just copy this link, go into your Google Search Console and to the Bing Webmaster Tools, paste your sitemap in, and then they can crawl your website. If I share my website, for example, within WhatsApp or any social media platform, you can see over here that it's generating an image and a text. We can change that pretty easy with Yoast. Go to the page you want to change, scroll down to the Yoast SEO section and click over here on Social. Here we can change the social media appearance. We can select our image, add in a title and a description that will be used when sharing your website. Quick tip, of course you want these images being so appealing that people click on the link when it's being shared on social platforms. What's very important for your visitors, but also for the bots crawling from search engines and AI, are the breadcrumbs over here. How to get that? Pretty easy. We go over here to Yoast SEO, go to your settings, scroll down, go to advanced, and here we can see breadcrumbs. Click on it. Here we can change all the settings of your breadcrumbs, very useful. But then over here, we can learn how to implement them. Just go over there. There are multiple ways, but probably the most easiest one is to add a shortcode. Over here in the block editor, you can do that. Just paste this one inside of your website anywhere you want. But if you're using Elementor, it's even easier. Just type in at your widgets breadcrumbs and drag and drop it to anywhere you want on your website. Now you probably don't want to have every single page inside of the search engines or in LLMs. For example, these pages, appointment cancelled, cancellation confirmation, the appointment reschedule, but also the thank you pages from the checkout or the thank you after a contact us page. How to exclude them? It's pretty easy. Just go into your page, go to the Yoast settings, scroll down, then we click on advanced, scroll down, and here we can change this drop down to no, and that's basically it. Now this will add in a disallow rule to the robots.txt, a file generated for search engines to check what pages should they follow and index in their systems. But it's not guaranteed that they will actually follow those rules, because they do have a mind of their own. All these beautiful images and deep links, videos, but also review stars are being put into the search engine and especially in LLMs by using schema markup on your website. This enables the LLMs to quickly see and understand what this is about and how the data should be interpreted. Go to Yoast SEO settings on the specific page you want to change. Go over here to schema. In here, we can change the page type for this one. Is it a web page? Is it an item? About? All these things we can change using Yoast SEO. You can also change the article type. Maybe it's an article, you can change what kind of article, and that's it. But there are actually way more schema markup available, but it's only in the pro version of Yoast. But I don't recommend switching to Yoast Premium as it is way overpriced for the things you get. I recommend switching to Rank Math SEO, which is also an SEO plugin, but it is way better than Yoast. It has way more options for free, and the pro version is just one price and you get everything instead of these modules within Yoast. But how you migrate it without losing all your SEO settings? Follow this tutorial and I'll show you step by step how to migrate safely to Rank Math from Yoast. Hope to see you in that video.